we got a westbound coming. There he goes, the lights. He's right there. And he's moving really slow. I'm like positive sure about it. I don't even know. And it's a loaded coal train. How fast is he doing? 26 miles per hour. He is moving really slow. That's a really slow train. We already got a green signal. I'm not kidding. Not lying. It's a load of coal. If that's possible. It's kind of hard to see. I'm sure it is, because it's westbound. Not gonna lie on that. That train's slow. Because the train went on the track too, I missed. That's why my mom not listening to me. During a thunderstorm. Thanks to Black Earth. Oh, got DPU. All right, DPU is 7297 and DPU is 7265. Bro, my camera crashed. He definitely has a lot of coal up there.